Okay, it's time to play Name That Compass. Is this a compass? No. Is this a compass? Yes. Is this a compass? Yes. Is this a compass? No. Here's how to spot a compass. First, it has a single mounting point. Second, and most important, it moves in a circle, so you can clean all the tubes right at the edge of the bundle. Is this a compass? Does it move in a circle? No. Is this a compass? Yes, it moves in a circle. Is this a compass? Does it move in a circle? No. Is this a compass if I use it on a horizontal tube bundle? Yes. Is it still a compass if I use it on a vertical tube bundle? Yes. Is it still a compass if I put it inside a domed bundle? Yes. How can these have the same name? Because they are the same thing. This is the compass, and this is the same compass. It just has a few accessories. If I buy a Ford Bronco and put a bike rack and a satellite dish on it, is it still a Ford Bronco? You bet. But didn't these have different names before? Yes, this was called the ProPositioner, or the ProPositioner. No one is sure, it's confusing. And what is this? Are we just pulling letters out of a bag to name things now? Remember when Prince changed his name to this? Remember how confusing that was? And then he changed it back to Prince so we could all relax. Right, so it's time to get rid of multiple confusing names for the same product.
Bye, Felicia.
What if I already own a ProPositioner? Congratulations. You now own a compass. Bonus question. What if I take all the parts for every configuration of the compass and put them into one box? What is that called? If it's in a box, it's called an auto pack. And if it moves in a circle, it's a compass. It's an auto pack compass. If you own one of these, or one of these, or one of these, and you want to turn it into one of these, we can help you. That's it for Name That Compass. Join us next time for Name That Pro Drive.